This is A. Somaiah, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal. So today I am going to discuss the fluid properties in fluid mechanics and missions. So the first property is density or mass density. So how do you explain this? Means density in general we call it as density. Density is nothing but mass for unit value, mass upon unit value. Otherwise, it can be described as a fluid is defined as the ratio of mass of a fluid to its value. Mass of the fluid which is occupied for a unit volume is known as mass density. So it is denoted by a Greek letter rho. So the rho is equals to mass by volume. So therefore, its SI units are kg for meter cube. The unit of density is kg for meter cube. The value of density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube or 1000 kg for a meter cube. So this is the value of the density of water at 4 degree centigrade. The next specific weight or weight density. The specific weight or weight density of a fluid is the ratio between the weight of a fluid to its volume. Thus, weight for unit volume of a fluid is called weight density. Thus, it is denoted by small w. So, simply, specific weight or weight density means weight for unit volume, weight upon a unit volume. So, weight of the liquid occupied for a unit volume, that is simply known as specific weight or weight density. And the units are, since it is weight for unit volume, its units will be Newton for meter cube in SI units. And here we can see the weight of fluid by volume of fluid. We can write specific weight like this. So whenever the weight of fluid is written, the weight according to the Newton's second law, if you expand, the weight is equals to mass of fluid into acceleration due to gravity. So upon volume of fluid. So then from this we can write, so mass of fluid to the volume of fluid is known as mass density, that is rho. And acceleration due to gravity is g. So therefore, we can write W equals to rho g. So that is a specific weight. So the value of specific weight or weight density is 9.81 into 1000 Newton for meter cube. Otherwise, 9810 Newton for meter cube in SI units. So this is the specific weight of a liquid. Now specific volume. Specific volume of a fluid is defined as the volume of fluid occupied by unit mass or volume for a unit mass of fluid is called specific volume. So it is reciprocal of mass density. Mass density is mass for unit volume, whereas specific volume is volume for unit mass. It is a reciprocal of mass density. Therefore, it is generally denoted by small v, specific volume. So in SI units, a specific volume is expressed in cubic meter for kg. So cubic meter for kg. So whereas mass density is kg for meter cube, and specific volume is denoted by small v. Now specific gravity. The specific gravity of a fluid can be explained as, it is also known as relative density. So the ratio of mass density of a liquid to the mass density of standard liquid. Otherwise, weight density of liquid to the weight density of standard liquid. So is known as specific gravity. Therefore, this is known as relative density. So generally, it is denoted by capital S, and specific gravity is also called as relative density. It is a dimensionless quantity and is denoted by S. See, since it is a ratio of densities, both the densities. Density of standard liquid is the same unit as the density of other liquid. So standard liquid, other liquid, both the densities units are same. Therefore, there is a dimensionless parameter. So here we can write specific gravity can be explained like this. So weight density or mass density of liquid to the weight density or mass density of water, because here standard liquid can be considered as water. Standard liquid is water, and that may be any liquid. So the relationship between any liquid density to the density of standard liquid water. Otherwise, for gases, weight density or mass density of any gas, it should be compared with the standard gas we will consider as air. Therefore, we can write weight density of liquid. Weight density of liquid is equals to specific gravity into weight density of water. So, similarly, weight density of liquid is equals to here we know the weight density of water is, see, 1000 into 9.81 specific weight. Then we will get the weight density of a liquid. Similarly, mass density of liquid equals to specific gravity into mass density of water, whereas mass density of water is 1000. So specific gravity, if you know the specific gravity, the mass density of water is 1000. If the specific gravity of mercury is 13.6, and if you multiply with the mass density of water as 1000, then you will get the mass density of a liquid as 13,6 and it is 13.6 into multiplied by 1000. Therefore, the specific gravity, if you know the specific gravity, you can find out the mass density. Otherwise, if you want to know the specific gravity, you should know the mass density of a liquid, and it should be compared with the mass density of the standard liquid, so that you can be revealing specific gravity. Now, if you go through this problem, we can understand the fluid properties very well. So, if 5 meter cube of a certain oil weighs 40 kilonewton, calculate the specific weight, mass density, and specific gravity of this oil. Specific weight of oil can be written as, so weight for unit value. So, where weight is 40 kilonewton. So, 40, the kilonewton can be converted into newtons, 40 into 1000, 40,000 upon 5 meter cube. Therefore, we will get 8000 Newton per meter cube as a specific weight. And similarly, mass density of oil. So, to find out the mass density of oil, so this is specific weight and specific weight of oil to the acceleration due to gravity, where we have omega, specific weight equals to rho g. W equals to rho g. Whenever W equals to rho g, from this you can find out rho. So that is mass density. So rho equals to W by G. So here we have the specific weight as 8000 and acceleration due to gravity is 9.81. Then we have 815.49 kgs per meter cube. Similarly, specific gravity of oil. So we know the specific gravity is nothing but ratio of specific weight of liquid to the specific weight of water. Specific weight of oil is we have calculated as 8000 Newton per meter cube. So, but whereas specific weight of water is 9810. This is standard. So then we will get 0.815 is the specific gravity of oil. So this is how do you calculate the specific gravity. Now we will go through another problem. Calculate the specific weight, density, and the specific gravity of 1 liter of a liquid which weighs 7 newtons. So here the weight is given. Another parameter is, so one is weight. Another parameter is volume, 1 liter. So this volume, 1 liter volume is 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So 1 liter is equals to 10 power minus 3 meter cube of volume. So we have to convert like this. Therefore here volume and weight, these two are given. So whenever these two are given, specific weight is equals to weight for unit volume. Specific weight is nothing but weight for unit volume. Weight is 7 and volume is 10 power minus 3. We will get to 7000 Newton per meter cube as specific weight. Similarly, density. So for density, we have omega small w equals to rho g. So where rho can be W by G. So here the same thing is applied. Here we have calculated as 713.5 kgs per meter cube. This is the density of unit of density, kg per meter cube. Similarly, specific gravity is equals to density of liquid, any liquid to the density of standard liquid water. So 713.5 by 1000. Here we have specific gravity as 0.7135. So this is how do you calculate various parameters when the specific weight and volume is given. Similarly, here we can find out the density, specific weight, and weight of 1 liter of petrol of specific gravity 0.7. So if these are the parameters given, like specific gravity is given here, S equals to 0.7 is given, and volume is 10 power minus 3 meter cubes are given. So you have to calculate the density, where density is specific gravity into density of water, because specific gravity is given as 0.7. So if you multiply the specific gravity with the density of water, then you can calculate mass density of that liquid 700 kg per meter cube. Similarly, we know W equals to rho g, specific weight equals to rho g. So this rho is 700. Just we have calculated mass density into G is 9.81, then specific weight becomes 6867 Newton per meter cube. Similarly, weight. How do you calculate weight? Because we know specific weight equals to weight for unit volume, weight for volume. So if you need weight, then specific weight should be multiplied with volume. So here we get 6867 into volume is 10 power minus 3. Therefore, 6.867 is the weight of the particular fluid. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.